The direction of wind is determined by wind vane. Wind vane is used to determine wind direction. So anemometer is for wind speed. Secchi disc is for turbidity of an aquatic habitat. And then barometer is used to measure pressure. Food webs are complex because some animals form part of several food chains. For instance, look at this white cat. It is part of several food chains in this food web. You know, a food web shows the link between several food chains in an ecosystem. So the white cat is linked from the tomato plant to the rat, and there's also a link to it from the rabbit. So different food chains can be linked to one animal, so it makes it complex. Special modifications which enable an organism to survive in its habitat is known as adaptation. Those features that help organisms survive in their habitat, they are called adaptation. For instance, look at this polar bear. The white fur helps them hide. It helps them camouflage so that they are not seen by their prey. Okay, and then they have other adaptations like they are large, they have furry feet for walking on the ice and snow. And then muzzle hump over shoulders for catching large prey. All right, so that's adaptation. Which of the following relationships does not involve two organisms? Saprophytism. A saprophyte feeds on dead organic matter. So it's just one organism, the saprophyte. Commensalism involves two organisms. Symbiosis to parasitism too. So the correct option here is overcrowding in population does not result in commensalism. Overcrowding can result in competition, it can result in migration, it can result in death, but it does not result in commensalism. Commensalism, one organism gains and the other is not affected. It does not gain and it does not lose. This does not happen in overcrowding. So the correct option here is B. A pandemic is an outbreak of diseases that is widespread. Of course, you know right now we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic, and it is all over the world. It is widespread. 36 is B. The rational and prudent use of natural resources. The rational and prudent use of natural resources is known as conservation. Is known as conservation. So that is B. Which of the following natural resources cannot be conserved? Is air. There is air everywhere. You can conserve the soil, you can conserve water, you can conserve wildlife. You can conserve them. You can make prudent and wise use of them. So the correct answer here is D. Which of the following actions supports conservation? To protect endangered species. To protect endangered species. Conservation is also done. One of the major reasons of conserving forests is to protect endangered species. A noticeable physical appearance of individuals of the same species is called morphological variation. External physical appearance has to do with morphology. Variation is the differences between individuals of the same species. If these differences is on the external look, the external features, that's morphological variation. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe. Remember to click on the subscription button for more videos.